Hey everyone, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. I'm Felix, and today's day trading journal, December 8th, 2025. So I only took one trade, which was basically QQQ. We can see here the previous day high was on Friday, and the previous day low. You can see here in the zones I created. And then we got the pre-market high and the pre-market low. And actually the pre-market low, because they're going to swim sometimes, not going to swim, but the trading view, that first four o'clock bar is never really correct. So what I do is I take a look at it, and then I just mark the low or high depending on where that first bar, that 2-minute bar was. So you can take a look here. This bar I kind of don't count it, and then just go from there for the high and low of the pre-market. So anyway, so you can see here I took QQQ at 10:10 right here, and which is basically in this bar right there, that bar right there. I took QQQ right here. It's 10:10. So what I saw, so basically it rejected the previous day high. You can see here with the topping tail, and then just ran down, and then we had a 15-minute close on the pre-market low. So that's good. So that means we're heading lower. So now I just need to find an entry, which I did. So once I saw the 15-minute close, I'm looking for my entry. I'm kind of waiting for the 5-minute 13 EMA to catch up, and we had the 5-minute 200 EMA. So I'm kind of waiting for a close under this as well. So I took kind of a little risky trade because it didn't close under until here at 10:10. It closed under, which would probably been a better wait, to tell you the truth, because that would have been an easy winner. But what happened was, so basically I got out at break even. You can see here 8 cents in profit. So I got in here, it hit my stop. So it's basically my stop was kind of like right there with 1R kind of right here, and it got to 0.8R, and that's where I go to break even. And then this one green bar stopped me out at break even, and then it just ripped here. This would have been a 2-hour target right here, so it would have been an easy 1.5 hour trade. But if this green bar stopped me out right there at break even, and so I did took a little risk when not waiting for the setup of the 5-minute to close. Again, that would have probably been better, because if I got it in right here on the 5-minute right there with the stop kind of like maybe above there right there, that would have been also a 2-winner R down here. Would have got there, so would have, trigger me in, consolidated for what, 4 minutes, and then drop. So that would have been that trade. But trigger me in here, stop me out here in this green bar, and then hit the target. So I was upset there, but there were still opportunities. But I was still kind of like, I don't know if I want to take a trade, because I missed my trade. Because if I got a winner here, I would have been done for the day. So I was like, I don't want to chase or take a trade and it stops, and I'll be super upset because this break even stopped and missed my opportunity. But some of the things what I was looking at was SPY on here on the 5-minute. You can see how I hit the 5-minute 13 EMA. Would have waited for the close on the 2-minute, so my entry would have been right here with a stop kind of like above that right there, and then that would have been a 2-hour or close to 2-hour trade there, maybe a half-hour trade there. So that would have been a trade, trigger me in, mess around, and then start dropping there. So that would have possibly been a trade. Another trade I was looking at as well was IWM right here. You can see here, first we got a 15-minute close here, but it was a far away from the 2-minute 13 MA as well as the 5-minute 13 MA, so I don't take the trade. Then we waited, then we got a close here on the 15-minute. Okay, so then it's creating a bear flag. You can see the bear flag right there. Let me draw this here, kind of like right there, the bear flag. You see that? So I was looking at this for a possible trade, but again I was like, man, I don't know if I should be done with it for the day, because if I take a trade and it stops me out, I'll be super upset and trying to because I missed that. Not missed it, but it got me out just at break even, and then it hit my target. But this would have been a half-hour trade too. I was looking at that one, and the other one I was looking at as well was this one here. This is a bigger time frame flag. You can see here with a kind of like a bear flag there. So that would have been another trade, and this one, you know, would have been a half-hour winner. So that was kind of the trades I was looking at on IWM. This one here, and then this one here with this longer 15-minute longer time frame bear flag. You see here 15-minute close under, consolidated for a few minutes, and then it just dropped. So those was like the 3 trades I was looking at. I just took the one trade, but I didn't want to take the other ones because, again, I was upset that this one didn't work, or it worked, but it hit me a break even, and it just kept going down. So I was upset with that. And actually here it looks like another possibility here. This would have been a good trade right there. Enter here, with stop here, see what happens. But anyway, so you can see here QQQ, that's the only trade, up 9 cents. So I'm done for the day. Now I'm taking another trade because I was hesitant, didn't take the other 2 trades that I mentioned on IWM and SPY. So I'll be done for the day, just break even. But I'm happy that I saw what I saw. I took the trade here, and then the other 2 or 3 trade was SPY and 2 in IWM. I saw it, didn't take it, but for another day. So thank you for watching, and I'll get you guys tomorrow with another video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.